Hi guys, I am Mohammed Naji Abu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be discussing on Python Boolean type. So in Python, there are two type of Boolean values are available. One is true and other one is false. So we can represent it as a TRUE. So you need to ensure that the T should be capital letters. So what happens if we give the small letter true? So this will throw a exception because the Python will consider this true as a variable. So similar to that, we can see that if we have a false, we can mention that F in a capital letters. Now we can check the type of these two true, and we can check the type of false. So we can see that these two are in a Boolean type. Okay. So usually these Boolean types are used with the logical operators, or they are used to control the flow of the program. Okay. So that we can do like more tutorials in coming videos. Okay. So here usually this will use to compare two values. For example, we can see that 1 is equal to 1. Okay, this will return true, or we can check that 1 is equal to 2. This will return false because this statement is wrong. Okay. Also, like we can use this with the to comparing to to check the which value has the like a operators like greater than, and we can also check with the operators like less than. So we can check that okay, 2 is less than 1. No, this is wrong, right? So we will use Boolean type in this type of scenarios. Okay. So internally, what happened is that Python considered this Boolean as a numeric values. Okay. For example, 1 means internally when we say true, the Python considered it as a 1, and if you say false, the Python considered it as a 0. So we can check that if true equal to 1, okay, so this will return true because the true means 1. Here also we can consider false equal to 0. See, this is also true because internally Python considers false as a true. So usually what happens if you try to divide by 0, we will get an exception, right? If you try to divide by 0, that is not possible. Okay, we will get an exception like division by 0. So similar to that, see, try to divide true by false. Just try this one. See, we will get a same exception. Division by 0, we will get the division by 0 exception. Now just try this true plus false. We will get 1 because 1 plus 0 we will get 1. And we can try another example, true plus, can try false divided by true, which is 1. Okay. So this kind of a small arithmetic operations we can also do. So this is just to give a understanding like how Python considered this kind of a this kind of a Boolean type, how Python is considered internally. Okay. Now another thing is that we already covered the tutorials with respect to list and the tuple, and consider one example with a list. Okay, I have a sample list. Consider this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I want to check, okay, a number is in 2, number 2 is in this sample list. So I can check that 2 in sample list. Okay, tab is not working somehow. Let me type it here. Okay, so this is return true. Okay, now I can check 15 in sample list. This will return false. Similar to that, we can check in tuple also. So these are the basic operations that we can do with the Boolean type, and yeah, in coming videos we can see like more way that we can use the Boolean types. Okay. So that is all about in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.